Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, this is Nuras. As we are Muslim, so in this video I will tell you Surah Fatiha. A'udhu billahi minas shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. If you like my surah, stay with me and please like and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.